The 43rd Annual Orange County Black History Parade and Unity Festival returns to Anaheim with food, entertainment, vendors, celebrities, a college fair, and much, much more.
It's a family affair. This is for everyone. This is for everyone in the community, your neighbors, your co-workers, your friends. Bring them all down. There's something for everyone to do and for everyone to enjoy. This is for you, gives you an opportunity to learn about our culture, our background, our history, and partake in something that's different and learn something new about each other. This will bring the community together.
Started as a local tradition during Black History Month, the late Helen Shipp initiated the parade on February 22, 1980, to build a community in the community.
With the help and assistance of community leaders, churches, and everyone that was involved during that time period, we, the Orange County Heritage Council, are carrying on her legacy 43 years later. We've picked up the torch and we continue to run with it, and we're putting on a heck of an event every year for everyone to come out and enjoy themselves and experience the culture and what really is the meaning behind Black history.
The parade will kick off at 10 a.m., starting at Anaheim Boulevard and Lincoln Avenue, and will march toward Water Street before returning to Anaheim City Hall. The parade will be followed by a Unity Festival beginning at noon.
We are honored to have the talented Miss Ade Lamar from the KGLH Morning Show, the Steve Harvey Morning Show. Ade has been a big advocate for this event for so many years, and we're happy to have her as our Grand Marshal for this year. A big feature to this year's event that we're really focusing on is our health village. Our health village is so important to our community. Many of us do not go get screened and checked as we should. Well, now you don't have to go out and get screened and checked. We brought it to you. Everything that you need here, from blood pressure, diabetes, eyes, ears, you name it, we have it here. Since coming to Anaheim 13 years ago, we've seen this parade just take off in ways that we never would have thought it would have. Anaheim has been a great partner with us, and we continue to build this partnership together with them. In just a few days, this place will be buzzing with activity. You have no excuse not to be here. I look forward to seeing you.